Hello YouTube, I hope everybody is doing great, and today I have a short video about my OLEDiCADE mini game, which I think is the cutest mini game, not Game Boy, but anyway, ESP based with OLED display game out there. This is for Tom. Tom, thank you very much for your purchase. I will send it out today. And without further ado, here we go. This is the on-off switch. This switch is actually for uploading or running the code, so it's not used by the user, only by me when I upload the code. So we turn it on by pushing it up, and it says there OLEDiCADE by HAYRI'S, that's me. And you have 4 games. You have Pac-Man, Flappy Bird, Breakout, and Octopus. Let's start with Pac-Man. And you have also a volume adjusting. If you push it down, the volume goes down, and push it up, volume goes up. And I can hardly hear the volume because I have ringing in my ears, so folks with younger than me will have more, will hear it better. Anyway, you push it in to get to the game. You can go out of the menu, switch to another game, and to actually start the game you push again, push again, there you go, and then you're ready, and then you can start playing. Eat. Oh, anyway, I think everybody does know how Pac-Man works. No, I'm not good today. So anyway, this is it. This is the charging port, and you have the speaker here, battery, LiPo battery, and it is running on an ESP 8266. I think it is 8266. There you go. So anyway, this will go out today, and I even made a nice foam packaging, so it will be shipped securely. And I also wanted to show you something else. I am making a new version of my attitude indicator and my altimeter, this time in this format. This is the PCB, and once it's finished it will look something like this, but this is the 2.1 inch display, and this is a 1.3 inch display, and which is this one here. And although the sizes are similar to the square 1.3 inch display and the square and the round one is actually bigger. So anyway, this will be the display, round display, and this will be the encoder, which will be sitting here. This is actually a multi-purpose PCB. It will have USB connector out the back or out to the side, depending on what I want to do with it, or the customer can actually choose if he wants to mount this. I mean, just as a comparison, if he wants to mount it flush, then he will have the USB out the side. Well, mine is on the left side at the 9 o'clock position. Or if he has space behind it and he wants to mount it like that, he can have the USB connector and use the out the back, and the rotator encoder will be on this corner, as you can see on here. And I made this actually also more dual purpose. It has the ESP32, or it can run on an Atmega 328. It has a speaker, of course, and it has also one of the other navigation switches that I use, like here on my retro clock, which is also for sale, that you can order in my Tinder store. This is this switch here. That won't be used on the attitude indicator or the altimeter, but I did make it there anyway. And it has, of course, a USB serial connector chip, so you can upload code. It has a microphone, a MEMS microphone also, and some other things that I almost forgot what I put on here. I think it does also have an ADXL 345 accelerometer chip, and yes, it has a BMP 180 temperature and pressure sensor. It has the microphone is over here, and on the front will be the display and the rotary encoder. The rest is on the back. These are the traces. I make this with a CAD Soft Eagle, so I can check for part positioning, as this one here in the back, for example, is a tight fit. So anyway, this is it. I had one viewer ask me about it, and this is the PCB I was talking about. I replied in a comment, so I will link this video to that answer as well, so he can check out what it will look like once it's done. I made these only to order. I will not stock them because the sensor alone for the attitude indicator is like $20, and they're hard to come by, and I called this H.E.D.S. Max by me. Anyway, this is it. I just wanted to inform you about that. And as you know, I have a humidity temperature gauge. I have my Chrysler 300C keychain with different animations. And if you see anything else, I have my Nixie clocks. I have my single Nixie clock. And if you're interested in any of those, please do ask. I will gladly answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching, and take care, everybody. And you can support me, I almost forgot, to the thanks button on the bottom. You can like the video, which costs you nothing. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell in case you want to be notified about future upgrades and product showings or videos about my new products. And you can become a Patreon. I still have 5 Patreons. And you can also check out my Tindy store, or if you're interested in automatic watches, I have affiliate links for that from AliExpress. And I think this was it. I wish everybody, today's Monday, so I wish everybody a great week, and thanks for watching. Take care, everybody.